Excuse me, Miss Jameson, are you here? Yes, darling, do you need help with anything? My guitar has been out of control. I was just wondering if you had any spells or something. Oh, sure, darling. I'll go get it. Here it is. Okay, the Guitar Book of Spells. Okay. So here it is. Black and white guitar. Strum-a-dee-dum, let this beat go dum-dum-dum. Turned me into a guitar. That didn't help, really.